Here we have a new lens from Sony in their budget range, although Sony budget isn't really everybody else's budget, but there we go. This is the FE85mm f1.8. Have you just purchased the Zeiss Batis 85 for double the price? Possibly. Ouch. Maybe you want to return that beast, but maybe you don't, because could this really be good? First things first, the FE50 autofocus motor is about as good as a chocolate teapot. Now, it's great if you're doing very slow moving stuff or even manual focus, but for low light and it's hunting around and it's pumping backwards and forwards, nightmare. Been reliably informed that it isn't the same motor in this. If it is, forget it. If it's not, let's continue. Why would you buy a G Master lens when, quite frankly, you have it all here? Well, firstly, this has cat eye bokeh. Let's have a look at some samples here. Can't really see much there. Can't really see it much there. Have we got any more? No, not many samples around. I've seen some samples on another site, and there is some cat eye bokeh with this. If that does not bother you, this is the lens to go for. If you're not pixel peeping and looking for that cat eye bokeh, then for sure splash your cash and fix yourself up with the 85 1.8. The Zeiss Batis also suffers a little bit from this cat eye effect. If that is the be all and end all for you, and the 85 is your absolute go-to lens that you're using for paid work, you need the G Master. But if it's hobbyist, enthusiast, the 85 is the one that will be lighter on the bank balance. Now, the Batis has the little screen on the front. There's no doubt that the Batis will of course be using better glass. However, if this isn't the be all or end all focal length for you, and it's more as a we'll throw it in the bag, then absolutely this is going to be a lovely budget lens for the lineup. Let's just hope that it doesn't have that sickness inducing motor that the 50 does. Now, there's no steady OSS inside this, so if you're using a 6300, probably not the beast for you. On the other hand, the Zeiss Batis does have steady shot inside, so if you're using a camera that doesn't have sensor in-body stabilization, the Batis is the choice for you. If you're using an A6500, I think paired with this, adding on that 1.5 crop will give you a lovely bokeh-licious portrait lens. As usual, guys, it's been emotional.